talk about this Brevi little hoe that you guys use here as well?
Yeah, no problem. We did have a different type to this, and I found this one to be far more user friendly, and probably if the yards get a little bit harder or something like that, it does plough them up and do a little bit better job. The roller also is much better because it's got wider spacings, which it allows it when it's a bit wet or something in the yards, it doesn't clog up. So yeah, it's once again just a great little implement.